Hello friends, today's recipe is for chaat lovers. I'm sure most of you enjoy chaats just like I do. So even on fasting days, you don't have to deprive yourself. You can quickly make this Shakarkandi ki chaat or sweet potato chaat and enjoy. It is ready very fast with just few ingredients like Farali chutneys. You have them ready during the Navratri season, and you can quickly roast some peanuts and sesame seeds and add crunch on top of these chutneys, and flavor it with some roasted cumin powder, pepper, and quickly your delicious chaat is ready. I have already boiled the sweet potatoes since we need them cold. Now quickly let us make the chaat. I can't wait to make and eat it. Farali Shakarkandi ki chaat or sweet potato chaat. This is specially for fasting days. During Navratras you can make it and enjoy. Ingredients list can be checked in the description box. Now let's get started. I have already boiled the sweet potatoes, 3 of them, peeled and cut them into cubes. Transfer them to the serving platter. Spread them around so that we can pour the chutneys on top of them. For flavoring, I have taken senda namak, red chilli powder, half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon each of roasted peanut powder, roasted sesame powder. Half quantity I'll be using now for sprinkling on top, and half will be reserved for the end after the sauces and chutneys are added. The roasted peanuts and sesame seeds give a lovely flavor. If you wish to keep them little more coarser, you can do that also. Now mix all these gently so that the spice powders are coated on all the pieces. Now again spread them around to pour the yogurt and chutneys on top. Whisk some yogurt with salt and pour it over the sweet potato pieces. As much as you require. Now time for green chutney. This is also Farali green chutney. I have made it little liquidy so that it gets a pouring consistency. You can check out the recipe also. I have shared the video already. The link will be provided in the description box. Next is sweet tamarind chutney. This I have made by taking out tamarind juice, tamarind extract, cooking it with sugar and some ginger powder and cumin powder. Now add some coriander leaves on top, some pomegranate arils. These give a lovely color and look to the platter, and of course the taste also. Now the remaining spices you sprinkle on top. You can increase the spice level if you wish, and even if you are having green chilies during fasting period, you can also have finely chopped green chilies. Lovely platter is ready. So friends, do try out this chaat during Navratri, one of the days, and check out the other Navratra recipes also. The link is shared in the description box, the playlist link. Thank you for watching. Here are some videos from the archives. You might check them out if you wish to. We'll be soon back with another recipe. Bye.